Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Stockx. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Klarna application. So make sure you're logged into your app. So once I've logged in here, so what are you going to do? We're going to search for the store. So for example, get the store and then search for Stockx. So let me search for that. All right, so let me search for Stockx. So I'm going to search for that, and then all right, there you go. So just open it up, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to create a digital card, actually a prepaid card that we're going to use when we check out. So what you can do, hit on create digital card and then type in any amount depending on your purchase value. So I'll just put 10 for now, just for this demo. All right, so I'm going to generate this prepaid card. It's actually a Visa card that you can use. You can use this card when you check out. All right, so hit on continue, and then it's going to generate the payment plan and everything. That's fine. Confirm it, and then now it's going to start generating a Klarna prepaid card for you. So it's just a one-time card that you can use when you make any purchases. All right, so that's your card. So now here my card has been created here. So that's my digital card. So what I can do now here is I can simply add this card to my Google Pay. So for example, I just added mine on Google Pay. You can just tap, otherwise you can just tap on add to Google Pay, and this card will be added to your Google Pay. So once you have add this card to your Google Pay, so what you can do when you make a purchase, you can just check out using your Google Pay, because your Google Pay is associated with Klarna, so that you can use that. Or and also if you're making any online purchases or something like that, so what you can do for online purchases, so what you can do, you can just check out with same thing with Google Pay, or else you can also check out with card using this information here. So you can provide this your Klarna card information, because it's a Visa card as well. So you can use this information and then check out, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all